What is up YouTube? Welcome to the vlog. Right now I'm here in Bugis Street and I'm just gonna have something to eat before I go off to my favorite place for Christmas. Bawelale.
Interesting.
Nice. I'm having the fishball noodle and she's having pork intestine rice. Let's go. So, how was it? Was it good? I thought it was beautiful personally, but it was okay, but then when it gets to the night, it gets really crowded. So yeah, we couldn't even take proper photos, but I think it was nice. So now I'm just walking back home, gonna play PUBG, gonna have some rest, and then see you guys in another vlog.